Hi guys, welcome to ARIVU channel. Now let's discuss variable. What is variable? Variable is a name given to a memory location. Let's take a real-time example. Pencil box is the container in which we keep our pencils. Here, memory location is like the pencil box. Information or data or value like the pencils. Okay, so inside the memory location, we try to store our data or value. Okay, so variable is nothing but the basic unit of storage in a program. The value stored in a variable can be changed during the program execution. Let's see the example. Here I have created one class. The name of this class is vary. Here inside this class I have created the main method. In this statement I have created the age. So what is it? This is the variable in which I want to store some data. So here this is the data, okay, or value or information, whatever it is, all are same. Okay, so what is it? This is the data type. Next we will discuss about the data types. Okay, and this is the name of the memory location in which I want to store this 23. That's it. Okay, and you know very well about this statement. In the last video we have discussed. So this statement is used to print the given string on our output screen. Okay, here the given ages, the statement will be printed on our screen, and here this plus symbol is used for the concatenation. Okay, and inside the age variable we have the value. What value we have? 23. So age holds the 23. So that age, that means 23 will be printed like this. Okay, let me execute again. Run as Java application. So the given age is 23. Okay, and the statement here I have given what? The value stored in a variable can be changed during program execution. Okay, actually in the beginning of the program I have given 23 only to this age variable. During the execution of the program, this 23 will be changed to 23 plus 10. So here this plus operator is used to add these two values. Age holds 23 and the 10 will be added, and the result will be stored inside the age variable. Okay, and the next statement, the given age is again the same. String will be printed on my screen, and 23 plus 10, 33 is printed here. Got it? So during the execution of the program, the variable can be changed. Okay, what is variable? Variable is nothing but the container in which we can store our value. So variable is nothing but the name of the memory location. During the execution of the program, the variable can be changed. That's why we got this result. The next, data types. Already we have used the data type, integer data type. Okay, so now let's discuss the data types. So what is data type? So data types specify the different sizes and values. Those values can be stored in the variable. We have already discussed about the variable. Okay, so data types specify the different sizes and values. Those values can be stored inside the variable. Okay, in Java language we have two main categories: primitive data types and non-primitive data types. Non-primitive data types or string and array, etc. We will discuss later in detail about these things. Now let's discuss the primitive data types. So we have again classified into two, Boolean and numeric. Numeric is again classified into character and integral. Okay. Integral is classified into integer and floating point. Integer again classified into byte, short, int, long. And floating point is also classified into float and double. Okay. Now, in this tabular column, we have the sizes and description about the data types. These are all belongs to which category? Primitive data types. Okay. Byte. So, we know already 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. Here, byte is the data type. Its size is 1 byte. It stores whole numbers from this to this. Okay. Minus 128 to plus 127. Okay. If you create any variable as byte data type means we can store in between these values only. Okay. And short data type. So its size is 2 bytes. It stores whole numbers from minus 32,000 something to plus 32 something. And integer, its size is 4 bytes. It stores whole numbers from this number to this number. So according to our requirement, we only choose which one is the best data type for our variable. Okay. And long, its size is 8 bytes. Okay. It stores whole numbers from minus of this number to plus of this number. The next data type is float. So its size is 4 bytes. It stores fractional numbers. We all know about the fractional number. So it consists of the whole number as well as the decimal parts. So it is used for storing 6 to 7 decimal digits. And the next double. Its size is 8 bytes and it stores fractional numbers again. But what is the difference? Here we can store 15 decimal digits. Okay. And the next Boolean. Single bit. Okay. That is, it may be a 0 or 1. Okay. So 0 represent the false, 1 represent true. And char data type. Its size is 2 bytes. It stores a single character or ASCII values. Okay. The next one, types of comments. So in Java language, we have two types of comment. One is single line. The next one is multi-line comment. Now let's discuss the single line comment. It is used for making a single line as a comment. Okay. So this single line comment is also called the inline comment. So why we need this type of comment? It provides brief summary about the program code for a single line. Okay. And it begins with a double slash symbol like this. And after this, whatever is written till the end of the line is considered as a comment. Okay. Here, integer is the data type. S is the name of the variable. And here equal sign and a plus b plus c. So, two slashes. What is it? This is the single line comment. Adding 3 numbers and store it into a variable s. So, this is only the brief summary about this statement. Okay. And multi-line comment. So, these comments are used for commenting several lines. Sometimes we need to give more than one line as comments. At the time, we can choose this type of comments, multi-line comment. Multi-line comments begins with slash asterisk and end with asterisk slash. In between these symbols, whatever will be written will be treated as comment and everything will ignore by Java compiler. Okay, so this is the simple example. Okay, slash asterisk and here asterisk with slash. In between these symbols, we can write anything. So, compiler ignore these lines to compile. Is it clear? Okay. Let's take a same example. Here, I have given the single line comment. Here, I have used the double slashes. So, I have given the name of the program, variable example. Okay. So, this line is ignored by the compiler. Why? Because this is the comment line. Okay, if we want to give a single line as comment, we can use this double slashes. Okay, and here inside the main method, I have written the multi-line comment. In between these symbols, I have written 2 lines of statements. These lines are ignored by compiler because these lines are the comment lines. Okay, with the help of this symbol, compiler identify, okay, this is not the program statement, this is the comment only. Okay, so why we need comments? With the help of these comments, we can understand the code easily in future. Okay, so that's why we need this type of comments. Okay, I hope you all understand what is variable, what are the data types, and the comments. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. Have a nice day. Thank you.